Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through 1PASSWORD. We're going to be studying 1PASSWORD. Now this is a tutorial on 1PASSWORD and how to use 1PASSWORD in 2025 for beginners. So let's start. What is 1PASSWORD? 1PASSWORD is a password manager, a powerful tool that helps you securely store, generate and manage all your online passwords in one central location. What are the key features? 1. Strong encryption. 1PASSWORD uses industry-leading encryption to protect your passwords and other sensitive data. Next, it is available on all major platforms like Windows, Mac OS, iOS, Android, etc., ensuring seamless access across all your devices. So, it has cross-platform compatibility. The third feature is password generation. It helps generate strong, unique passwords for each of your accounts, making it harder for hackers to compromise your accounts. The next feature is autofill. Automatically, it fills in your login credentials on websites and apps, saving you time and effort. Next, secured storage. It stores not just your password but also other sensitive information like credit card details, addresses, and notes. Next, family sharing. It allows you to securely share your password and other information with your family members. Emergency access. It also provides options for emergency access to your account in case of unforeseen circumstances. Now, how do we use 1PASSWORD? 1. You have to sign up for a 1PASSWORD account. So you create an account. Next, you have to install the 1PASSWORD app or browser extension on your devices. Next, you can import existing passwords from other password managers or browser. That is optional. And next, you can start storing password. Now you can do this manually or you can allow it to work automatically. How? If you're using manual entry, you have to manually add login credentials for website and apps, no matter how many they are. Next, you can use the autofill option, which will do it automatically for you. 1PASSWORD automatically detects login forms and offers to fill in your credentials. Now the fifth way you can use 1PASSWORD is to generate strong passwords. Use the built-in password generator to create or generate strong, unique passwords for each account. Then you can use it also to access your password. You can easily access and also fill your password across all your devices. What are the key benefits of using 1PASSWORD? 1. Enhanced security. So you're protected, your online accounts are protected from hacking and data breaches. Next, improved convenience. Yes, your time and effort is saved because it automatically fills in your login credentials. Next, it encourages the use of strong, unique passwords for each account. And the last one, it provides peace of mind knowing that sensitive information is securely stored and protected. This information is for general knowledge and informational purpose only, please. By using a robust password manager like this 1PASSWORD, you can easily, significantly enhance your online security and simplify your digital life. Hope you found this video helpful on 1PASSWORD. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips and tricks like this one which we put up every day. Thanks for watching. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye for now.